This is Carly Jacobson and her final project for Physics 3030 at Utah State University. So today I'm going to be talking about the UY That is one of the biggest stars in the galaxy. Some people might think that it's actually the sun that's the biggest, but there's actually some undiscovered stars as well that are bigger than the sun. One of them that has been discovered is the UY, which is the red supergiant star. It is the biggest star that's ever been observed in the galaxy, though it can be difficult to find the exact size because of the pulsation. It is large and massive in size and can make the sun look small in comparison. The UY is so big that almost 5 billion suns can fit inside of it. Now that we know how big it is, I was going to go over some of the history aspects on it, as well as some different facts on it. In the year 1860, it was the first named BD-125055, and it was observed to be a variable star because it grows bigger and dimmer, brighter and dimmer over 740-day time period, so over 2 years. The UY is located in the center of the Milky Way galaxy in the Scutum constellation, which is about 9,500 light years away. So it's really far away from Earth. So it's also a hypergiant, which is a rare type of star, meaning it has high luminosity, mass, and size. And there's also mass loss because of the extreme stellar winds that happen. Because of the stellar wind, it could cause the mass of the star to be eliminated. The temperature of the UY is estimated to be 3,365 kelvins. The pulsation of the UY has a period of about 740 days, so a little over 2 years. Because of its distance, the brightness is only ranked 9 in magnitude. When the star inevitably reaches the end of its life, then it will explode with the power of 100 supernovas. So that will be a really big explosion based on the size of it. But without further ado, I present a little diagram of it comparing it to the sun. So this is the sun down here, and then the UY is up here. So you can see that there's a really big difference between this one and this one. So that just kind of gives you a little bit of a size comparison of what the difference is between the two of them. Because the sun is really big and can fit a lot of Earth inside of it. And then the UY is even bigger. Anyway, that was my presentation. Thank you.